Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of Hostcomm's call center agent scripting service. The service is a bit like a web form whereby it's screen popped to the agent when a call is connected. Various data fields are displayed, but it's also got quite a sophisticated back-end process which allows the agent to work through a web form. And in the case of this demonstration here, allows the agent to basically build a bespoke order for that particular client and then save it and submit the order, take payment, but it can also be used to control, for example, a predictive dialer. So in this case, we're using the call center agent script to collect information, to build an order, submit the order, and then also control the predictive dialer to bring through the next call afterward without actually working with the dialer interface. Okay, so we're logged into the dialer here. We're going to press resume, and this is going to call my mobile number, so you'll hear a silly quacking noise in a minute. There we go. The call connects, and we've screen popped the agent interface. Okay, so what it's done is it's populated all of the fields here. Okay, so it's taken these from the dialer predictive dialer database, push them into the relevant slots here, and we've got a ready-made script. So these fields here are variables, so they can be populated from the dialer database. Everything in yellow here, and then down the bottom here we've got a series of buttons. These are all active, and these control the dialer, and they also control the progress of the script. Okay, so we're going to work through this text here. We're going to talk to the client and just explain what we want to do. We're going to click next. Okay, and then we come through to the next part of the script. Okay, and at this point the client may decide that they are not interested, so we want to terminate the call and move on to the next client. So at this point we would press the end call button here. Okay, and we would disposition this not interested. There's a little window at the top here which we're keeping here just to basically show that the call is connecting to the dialer. Okay, just for the purposes of the demo. Okay, so the call's been ended. We're now going to disposition not interested here, and that should tee up the next call. Okay, so there's the next call. I'm going to answer that. Okay, and it will now screen pop the next client, which is exactly the same. The test data we've got loaded here has got exactly the same rows on it. Okay, so what we did there was we connected via this active agent script here to the first client. The first client wasn't interested, so we pressed end call here, which ended the call, and then we then dispositioned it not interested. I mean, obviously in practice there would be maybe a drop-down menu or various selections of disposition code being used for this agent script. In this particular occasion we've got an interested client, so we've just continued through the script, and we're now going to build the order. So the first thing to do is to select product. So we're going to go with the handset. There are particular product codes here that that perhaps the call center has been given by their client. So we're now ordering a BlackBerry Curve with a set amount of data as per the product code here. And now we've got a choice of confirming the order or pushing the caller off to the payment IVR. So this button here basically will push the client, the connected caller, into a payment IVR. The payment will be taken and the call comes back. We're going to confirm the order, Okay, and away we go. So the order's been submitted, and that's the process for ordering. So what we're going to do is we're going to end the call and move on to the next caller. Call's ended. Okay, there's the next call. And we're cycling around again. Okay, so that's the demonstration of Hostcomm's call center agent scripting service. Thanks very much for your time.